guys? It's your boy CeeLo back with another Smoking Metal Car Fun video. Today, I just want to say, just in case y'all don't see me tomorrow, but happy Memorial Day weekend. And also it's my birthday. So with that being said, I've been riding around, I did a lot of work to the Magnum. The exhaust and all of that. I already had a system in it, but I want to change out the head unit and put a double dent in it. But it's been a long time since I had my bang inside of it, man. So I think today, it's my birthday. I ain't doing nothing. Waiting to go to my people's house, hang out, have a cookout. So I figured, why not install my system? Well, not install, but just get my boxes and put them back in the car. I believe everything is all still wired right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back in the car so I can see which one I like the best. Now, I have two different systems. I have the kickers, I'm having a moment right now, so y'all have to excuse me. But the kicker L5 12s and the kicker L5 15s. So we're gonna go ahead and see which one sound better. I think actually the L5s have the 12s have had a small crack in one of them, so I know I'm gonna have to replace them. It's just something for now. I do have something coming, so wait for that. I'm actually kind of excited about it. So y'all can go ahead and watch me struggle to put this box in this trunk. So this is the first box. So this box actually does have an amp on it, but we're not going to use that right now. We're going to use the amp that's been in the car. I'm actually going to go ahead and show y'all that. Now, well, I guess this is the back of it. I painted it. Get down, girl. So, yeah, I painted it and everything. And I have this amp right here. Now, y'all tell me what y'all think about it. You see what it say, right? 3600 watt, 4-channel, high power, digital amplifier. Now, y'all tell me what y'all think about that. So, to be honest with you, my brain is a little messed up. I bought this amp, I think, offline about, I think, almost 4 years ago. I ordered it right before I got hurt. I was at work and I blacked out, but come to find out I died. So it's been a long road traveled since then. So I haven't done anything really to the system. Everything's been just sitting here. Y'all probably seen a couple videos where the system was just, the amp was probably just sitting there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take the one box, try that out, see how that sound, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch it over to the other box and see how that sound. One is the L5 15s square, one single one, and the other one is 212. So y'all let me know what y'all think. So I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and check out me just hooking them back up. Speakers that I'm putting in now are two 12-inch L5 right now. Kicker squares. Upstairs to take care of some business. Oh, and I'll let y'all see the amp that's on here. Let me go ahead. Which is an awesome amp, just so y'all know. See it? Let me help. Let me do it like that. See? Power acoustic. Now, We're gonna go ahead and hook that up too. But we want to see how the 12 sound to that. So give me a second to that little baby ant. We're gonna continue to walk this over here though. Boy, you gonna hurt yourself.